Welcome back to my channel, Culture Kitchen. Alright, y'all see the title. We're doing vegan fried fish, and what we're using for the fried fish is banana blossom. Alright, for those of you who don't know what banana blossom is, it's actually a flower at the end of a banana cluster when bananas are being produced and when they're growing. Alright. Also, before we get started, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers, and if you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. Like right now, like the little button right here. Press it. Alright, I'm not gonna start this video until y'all hit the damn button. Hit the button. Alright, cool. Y'all subscribed. Alright, without further ado, let's get into the video.
Alright family, so here we are with the list of ingredients for our fried banana blossom, aka vegan fried fish. First off, we're going to start off with some Old Bay seasoning. Then we're going to start off with some lemon pepper seasoning. Alright, I got some sea salt with some kelp and some dulse in it. And then I have just dulse. Alright, then we have some sea moss. And all this is going to enhance the ocean taste. Alright, we got some yellow mustard. Alright, we got some ground flax. Then we have some Louisiana style fish fry. And we have banana blossom. Alright family, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and prepare our flax egg. And we're going to use our flax egg as a base for our marinade. So to make the flax egg, we're going to start off with 1 cup of water. And then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of flaxseed meal. If you don't have a 1/4 cup measurer, just use 4 tablespoons. It's the same measurement. So either 4 tablespoons of flaxseed meal or a 1/4 cup. All right, and what we're going to do with our flax egg is we're going to use it as a base for our marinade, and we're going to add our seasonings. And once we add our seasonings, it's going to mimic, you know, food that tastes from the ocean. It's not going to be, you're not going to be able to taste all ocean, but it's going to mimic that fish-like taste. Okay, so after we add the flax meal, we're going to go ahead and go with about 2 tablespoons of Old Bay. All right, and then we're going to follow up with about a tablespoon and a half to 2 tablespoons of lemon pepper. All right, a lot of times I don't really use measures. I don't really measure my food out. I just go until the ancestors tell me to stop. All right, so then we're going to go ahead and now we have our sea salt with our kelp and our dulse flakes in it. All right, so that was about a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half, 2 at the most. All right, and then we're gonna go with our dulse flakes. I ain't going front. I kind of OD'd with the dulse. All right, because dulse is very strong, and it really mimics and it really enhances your food when you're trying to do vegan seafood. So that's why I kind of OD with the dulse. But we did about 2 tablespoons, maybe 2.5. All right, and then let me see here. That's my daughter getting in the way. All right, move back. All right, so now we're going with a tablespoon of sea moss gel. I make my own sea moss gel. If you guys want me to do a video, just let me know in the comments. All right, and I'll do a video. I have a video on my Instagram, so if you want to see that video, just go to my Instagram. I'll leave the link to my Instagram in the comment section. So that was about a tablespoon and a half of sea moss gel, and then we go with a little bit of yellow mustard. That's about maybe a couple of teaspoons to a tablespoon. All right. Then we're gonna mix all this together. Give it a nice stir. Okay. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and give this a nice stir. All right. After we give this a quick stir, we're gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes while we prepare our banana blossom. All right. So while we have our flax egg marinade sitting, we're gonna go ahead and prep our banana blossom. As you can see here, I'm um, rinsing and wash my banana blossom. You want to rinse and wash your banana blossom. Trust me. All right. All right, family. After we rinse and wash our banana blossom, what we are going to do is that we're going to go ahead and put it in our marinade, right? As you can see here, I'm putting my banana blossom in my marinade, all right? And then what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and give this a nice mix, you know. So it looks like I got I got 5 blossoms. Not bad for the can, all right? I have some fresh banana blossom also, and I'm going to go ahead and do a video once I learn how to prep them, but for now, we're using the can version, all right? And as you can see here, we're giving this a nice toss, and then we're going to put this in our refrigerator and let it marinate for about an hour before we deep fry. All right, family, so here we have it. We have our banana blossom that's been marinating for the past hour. For dry batter, we're using the Louisiana New Orleans style fish fry, and we are going to fry these blossoms in grapeseed oil. All right, family, so here comes the fun part. Now we're going to deep fry banana blossoms. So what you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and take your banana blossom out the marinade, drain whatever excess marinade. I'm going to dip it in our dry batter. As you can see here, I'm using the Louisiana New Orleans style fish fry. And what I'm attempting to do, keyword attempt, is that I'm going to try to do like a double batter or double coat, just to reassure that the texture of the banana blossom is going to be nice and crispy. Right. One thing when you deep fry foods, you do not want soggy food. It is disgusting. It is the worst thing in the world. All right. So that's what I'm doing here, and then we deep fry. All right. And since I'm using a pot, I don't have a deep fryer yet. I'm just using whatever I have. I'm gonna let the banana blossom cook for about 2 minutes on each side, turning midway just to make sure that the banana blossom is cooking evenly on both sides. All right. But soon I will have a deep fryer. All right. It's coming soon. My brother be broke these days, so gotta work with what you got. You know what I'm saying? All right. And here goes piece number 2. All right. Look at that. Dunk that in that oil. Boom. All right. So after a couple of minutes, looks like one piece is just about ready to come out, and look at that, nice golden and brown. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Why put it back in the oil? I don't know. Oh well. I'm pretty sure I did it for a certain reason. One thing that I didn't show on video that I showed on the image, the picture that I posted on Facebook and Instagram, is that I flattened the um, banana blossom while it was in the dry batter. So just to give it like a fish look, I actually flattened the banana blossom. I actually like cut a slit down the middle to make like a V shape, and then I flattened it. All right. I didn't record that, so you don't see it, but you'll see it. You'll see it in the final picture at the end of this video. You'll see what I'm talking about. All right. So one piece is done, and the other piece is almost ready to come out the oil. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Greatness.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
All right, family. So here you have it, vegan fried fish. I also have sweet potatoes, cornbread, mac and cheese, and string beans. And on this picture, I have cheesy quinoa grits and just egg. All right. So I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers and thank you for everyone who tuned in. All right. I had a lot of fun making this, and I hope you guys have fun making this as well. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always send me an email at culturekitchen@gmail.com, or you can leave a comment in the comment section and I'll reply. All right. Also, if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to do my best to drop a video every 1 to 2 weeks, only because, my personal life, I have a very busy job. So I'm going to try to do one video at least 1 to 2 weeks. And by subscribing, that lets me know that you guys are really enjoying my content. All right. If you want to follow me on my other platforms on social media, on Instagram, it's at that plant-based brother. And on Facebook, it is facebook.com/Culture Kitchen. With that being said, this your boy Chris, aka that plant-based brother with Culture Kitchen, signing off. Oh, we cooking.